All right, so we are going to create a brand new project. We're going to be doing a code first one. So you want an MVC project. And we are going to call it Employees Chapter 12. And you can use either .NET 7 or 6. And here is my project. And I'm going to be adding 4 different classes. The employee class, which has a one-to-many relationship with departments. One department can have many employees. And I've also created the benefits with a one-to-many because I'm thinking of benefits more like benefit packages. One package can be used by more than one employee. So it's conceivable that multiple employees may choose that same grouping of benefits. And then we have a little issue with department and location because they are a many-to-many, which we will be resolving later on. So since you guys already know how to add the classes for the models, I've given you some code. And you will be copying and pasting the code that I've given you into your project. So I'm going to go ahead and quick create my classes here. So this is my employee class. And I'll just copy paste here. I got a lot of stuff open. Okay, so we'll copy this, paste it over here, and save it. The next one is department. And we'll copy and paste that one. And give that one a save too. And then we have our benefits. And we'll copy and paste that. Save it. And then we have location. Okay, there we go. And we'll save that one as well. All right, so now we have our 4 classes for our models. And we are going to modify the employee class, and we're going to add the foreign key and the navigation properties. So the employee class is related to department and benefits. And the department's primary key, we're going to add to employee. And the benefit primary key, we're going to add to employee as foreign keys. Okay, so we are going to add the foreign keys, and then we're going to add those navigation properties. So let's go over to employee. And we'll just put the little comment in here. And so this is department ID. Get set. And this one is benefits ID. Get set. And then let's do those navigation properties. And then we'll set this one so that it's nullable, and we'll do the same thing with benefits. No. All righty. So now we've got this. We're going to save it. And we are going to modify the department class because we know right now that employees is related. So many employees can use a single department or belong to a single department. So we're going to be adding the collection. And in a future hands-on, we are going to be adding another class called department locations. This is going to take care of our many-to-many. So we might as well add that navigation property now. And you'll notice when we add that, it is going to flag an error. So please don't run a build until we resolve the problem. So here we go. Oops. Add this above. All right, so we'll do the navigation property. I like spacing in mine. And this is going to be for employee first. And employees get set. That all looks good. And you will either set this equal to equal new hash set employee, or you could do a list. Hash set is doesn't allow duplicate values. So that's what I'm going to use because it makes a little bit more sense with employee. And then we'll do another one down here for a future table that we have not created yet. iCollection is right, but departments is wrong. We want department location. So the name of this is going to end up being department locations. And leave that still a get set, and that's going to end up being a new list. All right, department locations, get set. All right. And it's not going to be a hash set. We're going to do a new list. It's kind of having a sort of a fit because we haven't created it yet. So you'll have to manually probably correct yours just because it's not going to fill things in quite right. But this error will be resolved when we create that new table or that new class. All right, so I'm going to save everything. I'm pretty sure I did that correct. I'm just going to double check. Okay. All righty. So moving right along here. For benefits, all we really need to do is add the navigation property. So let me pull this back over here. And we'll pull up benefits. Let's throw that property in. And. 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 Employee is correct. It is guessing right this time. New hash set, yes. So I was able to tab through all of that without having to type, which is fairly awesome. So at this point, we're just saving all of our changes and we're going to move on. And do not worry about the little error here because we will be resolving that soon.